Aren't we all?
Oh!
You just... No!
Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do part 2 of Americans React to Mauritian Slang with Chabeli and Balaji. They're back. God, I was so impressed. There were so many views, people loved it. They were very respectful. So here we go. Next round. Are you guys ready?
Yes. No, but I'm gonna take this on. Let's go, let's go.
Word number 1, mets-toi, which means put in you.
Ooh. That's my kind of slang. Put in you. To feed someone.
To feed someone.
That's a good one. Probably very wrong.
He put in you really hard.
Been there. Maybe like to yell at someone.
How did you know?
That's good.
What the heck? Yeah. It means to get verbally angry.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
Word number 2, Kass lerein, which means break the hips.
When you dance too hard. When you just dancing too hard.
You don't even need context clues. How are you guys so good?
Practice. It's not like dancing and hips. Yeah, go.
There is a song in Mauritius in Creole where the lyrics, if I translate, is literally the Americans are breaking the hips.
Really?
Yes. We're talking about like
so cool.
They're like a little black hand was dancing. They like leaned themselves against like a curry rock.
I've never been more confused in my life. I need to hear this song. I have to hear this song. Okay.
Number 3, its.SHIRAAZ, which means
That sounds really pretty.
really?
Yeah.
its.SHIRAAZ. its.SHIRAAZ. Beat is bus.
Clue, context. Yeah.
It's unbelievable how often he beats his bus.
Is it? That was like the first thing they did. Is it?
No.
Oh, good. Sorry, Mom.
So someone brought me to like a shop, and that person is beating my bus there.
Introducing someone. He's trying to get you to buy something.
Yeah.
That's very...
It means freeloading.
Oh, okay.
Word number 4, 35.
35? What? Where do I even begin? Like, where do you even start with this? He's a 35. He's ugly.
What?
Oh, he's hot. Like, he's hot. Sorry. He's a 35. He's hot.
He's 35.
That's too big.
So he introduced his 35 to his parents. Girlfriend.
35? Girlfriend. Why 35?
35.
Where does that
no
come
idea.
from? So what's boyfriend?
34.
What? Wait, what? 33? The side chick? Like 32, the side boy.
Stay tuned for the next video. 5, keep position. Which position? Everything sounds so sexual, sorry. I don't know why.
Everything.
I am ready.
My back, lick my pussy and my crack. First you gotta put your neck into it. Don't stop, just do it, do it.
Oh!
Did you just... No! I heard it. Wait, I heard it too.
Oh my god.
Those are nice hands. Bend over. Which position? Oh my god. Oh my god!
Damn, that was a large and loud crack.
Yeah.
My neck, my back.
Lick my pussy
What was
and
the
my
thing
crack.
though? Position.
Which
Yes,
position?
Which position? What's up?
What's up? It literally means what's up. Which position, bro? No homo.
What's up, bro? I'd be so confused. I got it because of the tone. Yeah. Because of the tone.
Alright, last one. Kamarad, kamaron, lobster friend.
The burnt friend. Sunburnt. Lobster friend. The annoying friend. That's cool. The stinky friend. Lobsters are not cool. The delicious.
Oh.
Are you eating your... Oh my god, I got something in my eye. Oh god. She lies down and does nothing about the eye. She just goes... blowing it.
Oh, do you want me to blow it?
I got contacts in.
Oh,
I gotta like, you know, just like
you just gotta way back. I was like, what's that gonna do? What's that gonna do for your eyes?
Are you okay?
Sorry, yeah. Sorry, just blink it out. Listen there.
outlet. He's such a lobster friend.
The dickhead. I thought I got this.
Wait, what is kamaron in like Spanish?
Kamaron in Spanish is shrimp.
All right, then shrimp friend. What is a shrimp friend?
So is that lobster in the Creole?
No, I think it's shrimp. I don't know.
Okay.
Kamaron, but like kamaron like a lot bigger than shrimp, right?
You know there was that song, and he's like, what would the lobster friend do?
Yeah.
Shrimp friend.
Shrimp friend. Shrimp. So I knew that girl since I was 11, but she turned out to be a shrimp friend.
Fake.
Oh,
Shrimp fake though.
shrimp is good.
Exactly.
Well, I think it's not the meaning itself, but the how it sounds.
is it because-
Kamarad, kamaron.
Oh.
Kamarad is like friend. Kamaron is shrimp. So shrimp
makes
friend.
sense.
Kamarad,
Like, I
kamaron.
love it. Do you know how you have to like de-shell?
What?
You know, I'm speaking so extra, but you know how you have to de-shell a shrimp? Like you have to take off those surfaces.
Yeah.
Figure out like
I don't think it's that deep.
I know it's not.
Do you guys want to read the mean comments that I received?
Yes. They're comments or messages?
Comments.
Okay, at least.
12,000!
Yeah.
I get like these random comments where it's like, oh, he's very like, but he's like fag. And he's like, he's very fag, lol. And I was like, lol, I liked it. I was like,
Sure.
Yeah.
look, see, like, he's speaking like a fag.
Oh my god.
And he's like, motherfucker.
Bye.
Trust like
You gotta report
I liked
that.
it because
You
I was
gotta
like-
report that
Because
shit.
it's just funny.
Yeah.
Like, what
What did
What
am I supposed to do?
Exactly.
And I just went, well, thank you. And he went, Marie Gogotsa, which means, Gogot means like dick. He's like, it's very dick. Whatever. And then like someone said nice boobs.
Oh my god.
They're talking about mine. These two women's tits are more shiny than my future. Keep that a secret, bro. I love your videos.
What the
I thought it was hilarious.
Bro, tits, yeah.
So nobody gonna talk about the white girl boobs.
Oh my god.
White girl. Oh my god,
Not a
my
white
online
girl.
reputation, please.
And I went,
I think that's the worst reputation I have. Becky.
and then someone said like, oh, Mauritians, why they see like a little bit of like white skin?
Exactly. Automatically. Just,
Automatically. I came here because of big tits.
how does that? I'm so confused.
I blame myself. I take the blame for this catalyst.
But then like the next comment is like really mean, so I'm not gonna answer that. It's really like gross. You want me to say it?
Yeah.
Really gross. Don't tell me you didn't touch or like smell their panties. LOL.
What? Wait, I'm so confused.
Matt, what the fuck?
I was like, are you serious? Like, how is that even funny? How is that
Why?
remotely acceptable?
Why?
It's
Why?
any
Like, are you bored at home and you're just like behind your computer screen typing away? I bet you touched those panties, huh? What the fuck? Creep.
That's
just weird.
That's so childish.
Yeah, like how old are you?
But like a lot of people were like saying things like this.
That's nice.
I know.
More positive than
Yeah,
negative, which
that's
is always-
awesome.
I know. I think the only thing that I received negative from me is like, oh, I had one, which was like, does your parent know you're gay?
Oh my god.
And I was like,
what is wrong
well,
with
I didn't
you?
know. Thank you.
Thanks for my coming out story. Like, what the fuck?
But that's it. Everyone's about like how like I speak like a gay person.
What the hell?
Like that's the way I speak. Yo, if you don't
I
like
got
it, don't
2,000
subscribe.
views, bitch.
Part 2. Let me guys know how. Oh my god, what the fuck is that?
Let me guys know how. I didn't realize you were like you said. I was like, wait. Let me guys.
Alright, part 2 over. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I'll link them down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Hide the lens, hide the lens, hide the lens.
Can I see this, please? I'm so entertained.
I like this. Love the hip movement.
She is getting it.
I know.
This is actually really nice because these people, it's the ABM, and it's like kids with disabilities.
Oh really?
Yeah. And they're really talented people. Just like really sweet and genuinely nice.